this one's new video, and actually these are, I think, the clutch and brake levers for the gsxr. I'm gonna open them real quick and show you what I got. This one came from China. Actually, it took kind of like 15 days to get here. This one's I pay, I think, 29 bucks for it. And these ones, oh, this for the clutch, yeah. So these ones flip and extend to like your regular size lever, and also has the adjustability to for your lever reach. And this one is the clutch side, and this one has the gsxr logo on it, so kind of looks cool. This is the brake one, the brake lever. This one is also a nice looking piece, especially on the China market. They don't look cheap anymore like they used to. I bought some a few years back and they look pretty crappy, but this one seems to look better over the years. That's how the lever extends, as you can see. And then to a shorty lever. Like I say, if you guys want to give it a try, go ahead. Let me know what you guys think on the parts. If you want links or like where I got the parts, I can give you like the info on it. Let me know. Comment below, and see you in the next video. And hopefully you stay tuned to when I finish with the bike.